Hi, I'm Nikki from Fine and Country Leamington Spa, and I'm here with your market update for August 2020. In order to sustain the momentum of the housing market, stamp duty relief was introduced from the 8th of July 2020 until the 31st of March 2021. This has seen demand increase and prices holding up, which certainly wasn't the predictions from the previous months. So in turn, many positive things to report. According to Rightmove, the number of sales agreed in England during the month of June was up 15% when compared with last year. And since January, the average number of days to sell has actually decreased from 77 to 62. Zoopla has reported that the number of applicants registering has actually doubled. Despite common thoughts, unemployment is at a historic low of 3.1%, which was last recorded in 1969, and wage growth is currently at its highest in over a decade, with real incomes rising at their fastest level in over 3 years, which is all very surprising to think, but very positive for consumer confidence. At 2.43%, the current average mortgage rate is also at a historic low, and there is potential for these to fall even lower. So looking more locally, in the last few weeks here at the Leamington Spa office, we've agreed sales on over £8 million worth of property, which is extremely encouraging when you think about our current climate. The average price of properties when compared to the last 12 months is actually up 1.7% in the West Midlands. So if you or any of your acquaintances are contemplating a move now or in the coming months, please don't hesitate to contact us for a free market appraisal. It's actually a very good time to be on the market. Thank you for watching.